Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and other videos. So today I am making KFC style chicken tenders, which are very crispy, tasty and delicious and can be made at home very easily for this recipe. Today I am going to make it in a special way. So you will definitely watch this video in its entirety. We will definitely make this recipe the way I told you. So I start making this recipe. First of all, here I have all the equipment for making chicken tenders. First, I will prepare the equipment for marinating the chicken. I will put a cup of yogurt in a bowl. I am putting some garlic slices in it. This is about 3 to 4 tablespoons of vinegar. I will mix it now. Now I will put all the spices in it, which are a spoon lot of pepper, a tablespoon ginger garlic powder, a tablespoon of mixed spices. This is a tablespoon of dried coriander powder and a tablespoon of red pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt to taste. Now I will mix all these spices well in yogurt. We will put the chicken pieces in the yogurt to make marinade. In the same way, we put all the chicken pieces in the yogurt mixture. After putting all the chicken pieces in the yogurt mixture, now mix it well. Now I will cover it and keep it for 2 hours. Until then, we will prepare the flour mixture. First, I put some flour in the tray. After that, I will add some spices in it, which is a tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon lot of a pepper, 1 tablespoon salt to taste. I will add 1 tablespoon red pepper and now we will mix all these spices well in the flour. Now it's time to prepare the egg mixture. First I will put the 2 eggs in the breaking bowl. I will mix the eggs well. I am putting 5 tablespoons of water in the eggs and mix. On the other stove, I put oil in the pan and let it heat for 5 minutes. and the chicken has been marinated for 2 hours. Now I will remove the cover from it. And now I will prepare it in the flour for fried chicken. I am putting the flour in a box. To marinate the chicken, I will first pick up a pieces of chicken and put in the eggs. After putting the chicken pieces in the egg, I will keep them in the flour. After that, I will close the box and mix it well. We have to mix it well by shaking it in the flour. After that, I will take the chicken pieces out of the flour and put them in the egg again. After that, I will mix them by shaking them well once again. And our oil is hot, in which we have to fry the chicken tenders. Before frying in chicken oil, I will grind the chicken pieces well with flour. Now I am putting the chicken pieces in the oil. I will let the chicken fry in the oil until it's light brown color, and it will cook well inside. Let us cook the chicken tenders on low heat so that it cooks well inside and does not remain raw. Once one side is cooked, I will change its side. And I will cook the other side of it for as long as it gets a light brown color. Once the chicken tenders are cooked, I will sift them. So mashallah, our today's KFC style chicken tenders recipe is ready. You will definitely try it too. Inshallah, you will like this KFC style chicken tenders recipe very much. And you will tell me in the comment section how you like this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Will definitely wait for my next video and will definitely remember me in my prayer. Allah Hafiz.